How do I set up a Debian server using the command line? Imagine turning a blank computer into a powerful server that can host websites, manage files, or run applications. Setting up a Debian server with just the command line might seem tricky at first, but it is straightforward once you know the steps. Debian is a popular Linux distribution known for its stability and long-term support, making it a favorite for server setups. Today, I will walk you through the process from start to finish, so you can confidently build your own server. First, you need to get the Debian server ISO image from the official Debian website. Once downloaded, create a bootable USB drive or virtual machine media using tools like Rufus or the dd command. This media will be used to install Debian on your hardware or virtual environment. Boot your machine from the installation media and choose the text-based installer. This installer is command line friendly and helps you get comfortable with server setup. During installation, you'll be asked to set a hostname for your server, like debserver or myserver. You can also specify a domain name if needed. When prompted for passwords, choose a strong root password to protect your system. Create a normal user account for daily tasks, avoiding using the root account for security reasons. For disk partitioning, select the guided option to use the entire disk. For better management, opt for separate partitions for root, home, var, and temp directories. This setup helps prevent one partition from filling up and affecting the whole system. Next, you'll choose software to install. Deselect desktop environments and print servers to keep the system minimal. Make sure to select the SSH server option to enable remote management. Install the Grub bootloader to the main device so your server can start properly after installation. Once the installation finishes, reboot your machine and log in using the user account you created or as root. After logging in, check your network connection with the ping command, like ping google.com. If you need to configure static IP addresses, edit the etc. network interfaces file. For DHCP, the system handles it automatically. You can also set DNS servers here or use systemed resolved forename resolution. To improve security, create a new user with administrative privileges. Use the command adducer username to create it, then add it to the sudo group with usermod ag sudo username. Test your new user by switching to it and running commands with sudo. Securing your server is vital. Use tools like UFW or iptable to open only necessary ports, such as port 22 for SSH. Disable root login over SSH by editing the SSH SSHD config file and setting permatroot login to no. Keep your system updated by running apt update followed by apt upgrade regularly. This ensures you get the latest security patches and software improvements. Finally, install additional services based on your needs. For example, you can install web servers like Apache or Nginx, databases such as MySQL or PostgreSQL, or file sharing services like Samba or NFS. Use the apt command to install these packages. Debian's command line setup is lightweight and reliable, making it perfect for production environments. Compared to other Linux distributions, Debian emphasizes stability and a vast repository of free software, which makes it a solid choice for long-term server use. Building your server through the command line helps you understand how Linux systems work and prepares you for managing more complex setups. This approach is common across many Linux distributions, but Debian's focus on stability and security makes it especially popular for server roles. With a bit of practice, you'll be able to set up, secure, and maintain your own Debian server confidently.